In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the geography feature in Microsoft Excel if you work with lists of countries, states, cities, or other locations. Excel's geography data type can save you a lot of time. Instead of manually looking up details, you can convert location names into linked geography data and quickly pull in useful information like population, capital, area, time zone, leader, or official name. To get started, select the cells that contain your location names. Make sure the names are typed clearly since Excel needs to recognize them as real geographic places. This feature works best when your list is clean and consistent. Once your cells are selected, go to the Data tab at the top of Excel. In the Data Types group, click Geography. Excel will then try to convert those entries into the geography data type. When the conversion is successful, you'll see a small map icon appear next to each location. That icon is a helpful sign that Excel has recognized the entry as geography data and linked it to Microsoft's online information source. After your locations have been converted, you can start inserting geography information. Click on one of the geography cells to highlight it. When you do, an Insert Data button will appear next to the cell. This is the tool that lets you pull extra details from the linked geography record. Click the Insert Data button and you'll see a list of available fields you can add. From there, choose the type of information you want to display. For example, you might select population if you want demographic data, capital if you need government information, area for size comparisons, time zone for scheduling, leader for current leadership, or official name if you want the formal geographic title. As soon as you choose a field, Excel will place that information into the adjacent column automatically. This makes it very easy to build out a table of geography-related details without copying and pasting from other sources. If needed, you can repeat the same process for additional fields to expand your spreadsheet even further. One useful tip is to double-check the results if a place name could refer to more than one location. Excel is usually very accurate, but some names can be interpreted in different ways depending on context. And that's how you use the geography feature in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.